Hey, this is my first box of corn and it's done producing. I've gotten all the cobs off. So what I'm going to be doing is taking these out today. I'm going to take all the stalks, just cut it down to the very bottom, leave the roots in. And then I've got some fall stuff I need to get planted in there. But first, since corn takes a lot of nutrients from the soil, I'm going to go and get some of my homemade compost and fill this in. And then I will plant those. And then I'm going to make some decorations out of the corn stalks. So I like to pick the corn stalks for decorations when they're green, because then they dry a pretty green color instead of turn yellow. So let's do this. Got this down to the bottom. So I'm done, it's empty. I got 4 bunches of decorations. And what I do is I usually put about 16 stalks in these. And then I'll tie them off, let them dry, and then I'll put ribbon on them a little bit later. I got some twine. I'm going to tie up these bunches, and what I do is I put the larger ones in the back and the smaller ones in the front, just to kind of make it look nice. So when it's displayed, it looks great. So let's go do this. I'm done. I'm going to go put these on my front porch where they can be out of the shade and rain and dry. I have 3 right there, and I just decided to put one right here. It looks pretty, and that's a wreath I made out of my son and daughter-in-law's reception flowers. So we're having summer collide with fall.